Straight into the video because today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to vlog for my birthday. If you don't know, my birthday is on April 30th, which is tomorrow. So today's date is April 29th. It's about 12:50. I am in the process of getting ready. I have an appointment at 3 to go get my tragus pierced, so hopefully I'll be able to take you guys along with me and you guys can see the whole process. Hopefully, if not, I will show before and after pictures. So I will be back. I'm getting ready to get dressed and my face on. Yes, I know. These are your shoes. Not these though.
I need them.
You need to put these ones on?
I need that one.
You need this one?
Okay. That one.
Okay. All right, so I'll be back. So guys, it is like late. I wound up getting my tragus pierced and that's how it looked. It turned out really nice. Pain level wise, it didn't hurt really bad. It was just like a pinch. Like I felt him go like in with the needle, but I never felt him come out on the other side of my ear. So I mean, it's like pain wise, 1 to 10, I would say like a 3 out of 10, 4 out of 10, something like that. It really wasn't bad. If you guys are in the DMV area, check out Piercing Connect. That's where I got my tragus pierced at. He also did my snake eyes piercing, which is a story time for a different day. Right now, as you guys can see, it is 9:28 and I'm getting ready to bring in my 26th birthday. So I hope you guys are willing to count down with me because we're gonna start in just a second. I got a seafood boil over here and I got some drinks getting ready to get poured up and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. So the seafood boil got like, it's mussels in it, it's crab legs, no crab legs, corn on the cob, eggs, like little baby shrimp, some bigger shrimp. I said eggs already, right? And oh, so some sausage and potatoes too. All of it looks so good. Oh, y'all want to see a drink get made real quick? Jack Daniels honey. Okay. First of all, it's only right if we only take a shot of this first. So, here we go. Is that a shot or is that like a double shot? I think that's like a double shot. This really is smooth though. Like, you can really taste the sweetness in it. It really tastes good. So, I'm a ghetto bartender, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I don't have no license, no nothing. Oh, white crime peach. Get you some. Honey, I got drunk at a hotel. There you have it. I got an hour and 2 minutes, y'all. I'm excited. 26. Oh, so I forgot to tell y'all about this hair that I'm wearing. This is the hair from my hair review video from Poker Face. This hair, hold on, let me hook y'all up. This hair was the 26, 24, and 22 inch bundles with the 20-inch closure. I did make a unit, and this is how the unit turned out. This hair is a very high maintenance. Like, if you don't like to wear, like, I guess thick like this, you would say, like puffy like this is how it looks when it's dry. When it's wet, it's a little bit more tame. and it gives more of a elegant look when it's like wet and it's brushed out. Like, the only thing that I use on it, the first thing that I've ever put on it was water. I just put water on it just to see how it looks with just water on it, because I know a lot of people will put like water, they'll put some type of like moisturizing curling cream or something like that, and they'll put either gel on it and some type of shine enhancement like coconut oil or something like that. But I put that on there too, but I wanted to see how it looked with just water. It did do good, but I just feel like that this hair just needs a little bit more than water. Like, I use the Eco Styler gel, the flaxseed, and I think it's just the flaxseed one. It's the one that's in the black and it's green. It's like in a black container, well, black and clear container, and then I think it's the flaxseed one. I did, like I said, I did put this as a unit. I did install it as a unit. I do have a ball cap up under here. I'm still perfecting my ball cap method. This is my first unit that I've ever made, and this is my first time I've ever even did the whole glue down situation. So we'll see how it holds up. This is my first day with it glued down. I just have the closure glued down. The size is just like regular. The bundles are definitely full. I thought when I reviewed the hair that they were thinner, but they're not that thin actually. Once I put it into the unit and sewed them in, I did cut the weft, so I do get a little bit of shedding, but surprisingly it's not a lot of shedding like how I thought it would be, but it's really not. But I do get some shedding. It does tangle just a little bit, not much, because I feel like if you're doing what you're supposed to be doing as far as like combing it from the bottom or brushing it with your Didnt brush from the bottom, and you brush it from the bottom to the top, then you should be fine. You shouldn't, you know, have no tangles or whatever. But other than that, the hair is fine. Ooh, I look like money, y'all. Hey, but yes, y'all, I got a whole 58 minutes until my birthday, so y'all stay tuned. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to edit that out. Y'all, it's my birthday. My birthday. Y'all gotta wish me happy birthday. Y'all put my birthday in with me. Thank you guys for all your wishes, all your birthday wishes. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Snap, and Twitter to keep up with me and see what I'm doing for these next couple of days. I actually took a vacation because I was supposed to be going to not New York, Atlanta, like I told you guys in one of my previous videos, but obviously that failed because of the whole coronavirus thing. But it's okay because I made the best of it. Y'all, it's my birthday. I'm going to bed, y'all. I'm really, really drunk. I'm not even gonna lie. So like, if you watching this and you 18, wait, 21, right? 21 and older. If you know, wait, I messed that part up. That's a blooper. Don't listen. If you 21 and younger, well, wait, 20 and younger, you don't need to be watching this. Okay? Don't watch this. But if you're 21 and older, you know where I'm at. It's my birthday. It's my birthday, huh?
Okay, so today's the day! We are doing Lish surprise birthday party! Birthday friend, we love you. Oh my goodness. This hoe cannot sit still. At all. Oh my god.
She just has to plan her own
She
birthday.
just has to plan her own birthday. Calm down. We got it. So now we're on our way to get Lish. To surprise her. Surprise, bitch. Bitch thought she was going to get a massage. Okay.
Y'all really just did this to me like that? Bitch, I'm talking to you. This is cute. What? You picking? What you know? I'm getting the skippiest shit. Yeah, this one right here. I mean, both of them. This one right here. Both of these are yours. I love y'all. Thank you. Oh my God, love it. Thank you, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all better get y'all some friends like mine. Fuck y'all. If y'all want to see ass and titties, y'all better get out. Y'all already made y'all the house. No, we're making this snap first. Bitch, let's go. Oh, wait, no, wait. She got to change her clothes first so we can all, like, be cute. Well, she already cute. You know what? I don't have no best friends. I had one of their best friends. That's so cute, y'all. Oh my gosh. Was that just a hair? Y'all was I was like, I can't. Wait, Josh, come on, man. I got so cute. Yeah, wait. Throw a little ass. There we go.
You could cry, fool.
He was fucking laughing and shit. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm gonna get big.
Say hello to her vlog camera, because that's what this is.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Yes, happy birthday, Liz.
Y'all know I didn't even realize. It's bad. Please back here. I didn't know I had to move. Oh, I didn't do that. I ain't Happy birthday, Steve. Thank you. Wish you many more.
Happy birthday. Bottoms up, yes.
Happy birthday. What y'all putting in? Damn shit.
Matter we ain't get no 1, 2, 3.
Brittany is the instigator. First of all, she's still the instigator. She's from your shot right there. But she ain't even her. That's the problem. I dare say it's fine. What's up, y'all? Damn. Okay.